Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Bobby and you're watching Mind Island Design. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily make some pixel art in Adobe Illustrator, and in this video, I will be using AI to help me generate some artwork. And for this scene, I want a cabin in the woods with a campfire outside, so let's go ahead and generate that with the AI right here. And I already have my prompt typed in, so let's generate that artwork. Alright, I got some different scenes here. This one's kind of nice. For some reason, the campfire is like within the house or within the cabin. We also got, again, fire within the cabin. Kind of weird. All right, we can work with this one. This one's good. So once you have your vector artwork you want to pixelize, just select that artwork and then head over to Object and select Rasterize. Here, let's just keep it in RGB. Resolution, I'll keep at 300. Anti-aliasing, you want none, so there's the least amount of pixel transition between the different colors. And then that is all I'm going to change, and then just hit OK. Now let's head over to the Layers panel, and as you see, the vector art is now turned into an image. So now with your image selected, you want to head back over to the Object dropdown, and then go to Create Object Mosaic. So in this menu, you only really need to pay attention to the number of tiles, which is going to be the size of your pixels. In this artwork, I want mine to be 48 pixels, but if you do end up changing your size, let's say like 24 pixels for example, to auto-calculate the number for the height and width, you can select the Use Ratio button here, which will adjust your pixel size according to your artwork size. But again, I'm going back to 48 pixels, and then hit Use Ratio, and then I'll hit OK. Now, as you can see, our image is turned back into vector art, and the first thing I want to do is go back to my Layers panel and then delete the image below. If I hit Ctrl Shift and D on my keyboard, that will enable my transparency grid. Now let's head over here to our magic wand tool, which you can also select by pressing Y on your keyboard. And now let's also hit enter on our keyboard so we can bring up the magic wand options. Let's go ahead and bring the tolerance down to 0, and now let's select one of the white pixels to remove the background. Now I do want those snow on this little pond or lake here, so I'm going to select my direct selection tool, and then just zoom in, and holding shift, I will just deselect these squares. And now I will just hit delete on my keyboard or backspace. Let's say I want to clean up the roof and I want to remove some of these different colored pixels. Let's just grab our magic wand once again and select one of these pixels. If I want the magic wand tool to pick up some more of these different colors, I can increase my tolerance. So let's just increase it by 1 and select that pixel again. And as you see, it selects some different shades of that color, or colors that are close to that pixel color. Alright, and then just to change the color of these pixels, I will hit I on my keyboard to grab my eyedropper tool, and then just select the red color of the roof to change the color of those pixels. And then continue this process to continue cleaning up your artwork, and that's really all it takes to create pixel art in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps a lot to support the channel and to continue making content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.